Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Kia Access app not working. So this is an Apple and Android device tutorial, so follow along. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to the Google Play Store. Then from here guys, make sure you have the latest version of the app. And guys, when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here and make sure you have the latest version of the app. And guys, if that doesn't work, all you have to do is go to the second solution, which is go to the settings. And then on the settings, guys, just go to the apps. And then from here on the apps, just find Kia Access. So guys, I'm gonna use this application as an example. And then from here, guys, just tap on the storage. And after that, make sure to clear the cache and clear data. And then from there, guys, you will be able to fix your Kia Access application. And guys, if this doesn't work, let's go to the third solution. So for this solution, just reinstall the application. So first, just uninstall the application, guys. And then after that, after you uninstall it on your device, just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, just install the app again. And then from there, you will be able to fix your Kia Access application. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya!